How to apply filters and LUTs in LightCut. First of all, open the app on your device and select the project you want to edit. Once your video is loaded in the timeline, tap on the filters or LUTs option at the bottom of the screen. Next, browse through the available filters and LUTs. LightCut offers a variety of styles from cinematic looks to vibrant colors that can instantly enhance the mood of your footage. Tap on any filter or LUT to preview it on your video in real time. If you want to adjust the intensity, use the slider to make the effect stronger or more subtle, depending on your preference. You can also combine filters with other editing tools like brightness, contrast, and saturation to get the perfect look. Once you are satisfied with your color grading, preview the video to ensure everything looks polished and cohesive. Then you can save or export your edited video with the new filters and LUTs applied. Now you know how to apply filters and LUTs in LightCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.